Hello all, this is the fifth video in work and time playlist. Today we are going to discuss about the second technique in order to solve work and time related problems. The second technique says if A and B can complete a work in X days and A alone can complete the work in Y days, then how many days B take to complete the same work? We can calculate the number of days taken by B to complete the same work by using the formula xy by y minus x days. Let's see how we got this formula. They have given A plus B together they complete the work in x number of days. And A can alone complete the work in y number of days. Then let's calculate for one day. In one day, how much work A and B together they can complete? It is a reciprocal according to the first rule. In one day, how much work A will complete? It is 1 by y of the work. This is the work done by them in one day respectively. Then how much work B will do in one day? It will be A plus B's together work in one day minus A's work. Okay, let's substitute these values here. 1 by x is the work done by A plus B in one day minus 1 by y is the work done by A in one day. So this is the work done by B in one day. Let's write it here. So one day work by B will be 1 by x minus 1 by y, that equals to y minus x by xy. So this is the work done by B in one day. Then in how many days he will complete the whole work? It is nothing but the reciprocal of the one day's work. So total number of days taken by B to complete the same work will be reciprocal of this one day's work of B, which is nothing but xy by y minus x number of days. This is how we will get this formula. I hope this is clear to everyone. So let's go for the example. The example says A and B together can do a piece of work in 12 days. A alone can do it in 18 days. In how many days B alone can do? This is the question given. So let's first calculate the work done by them in one day. Work done by both A and B in one day will be 1 by 12 of the work. Work done by A in one day will be 1 by 18 of the work. This I have written based on the rule number 1, which we have discussed in video number 2. Then B's work for one day will be A plus B together work minus A's work, which is nothing but 1 by 12 minus 1 by 18. The LCM will be 36. 12 3s are 36, 18 2s are 36. 1 by 36 will be work done by B in one day. Then how many days does B take to complete the whole work? It is nothing but the reciprocal of this value. Then number of days taken by B to complete the whole work is reciprocal of this value, which is nothing but 36 days. This is written based on rule number 2, which we have discussed in video number 2. Okay, these rules I have already discussed in video number 2 in the same playlist. So if you don't know these rules, please go and watch those videos. If you feel these videos are informative, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel Number Nerd.